CPT. Baby, exactly. Baby. Ayé burúkú ayé ti bàjẹ́.
The next stop is Portsmouth Club.
Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Not sure. Very greedy bastard. Kò lè tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn láíláí. Báwo lè tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn? Ọ̀gá, ẹ̀gbọ́n, mi ò fi ń sílẹ̀ o. Ẹ ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n, màá pè yín during the week ṣẹ́gbọ́n. Alright, well done ẹ̀gbọ́n. Alright, thank you. But bó ti wà nínú bọ́ọ̀sì wọn lọ́wọ́ dàn báyìí. Alright, ẹ ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n, ẹ ṣe ẹ̀gbọ́n. Alright, báyìí sọ. Basically, I was just telling a friend today why we have to start thinking ahead. The world is changing everywhere around us. Jobs are difficult. We have this AI revolution coming over. If you really want to succeed, it's time you start thinking about certifications and job options. That job you have now is not really secured because we have thousands of softwares coming up every week. So if you start learning new things, you protect yourself against this very hard time coming. Globally, in Europe, America, South America, in Africa, things are changing hard, and I think it's common sense that we should rationally start thinking. And if you think then you can survive the hard time, the time that is ahead of us, I really feel bad for people who are not conscious around them, who don't know what to do and what options to take. But I just think that if you're wise, if you're cautious, the best thing to do now would be to look up certifications, a lot of professional certifications in AI and data analysis, cybersecurity, and the rest of them. All these options can help secure jobs, even if you have to work remotely when these hard times come. So it's just a matter of just preparing ahead of time, being proactive and planning ahead, not letting anything take you by shock, by surprise. So just work hard, think, plan, pray. More than anything, it's time for us to seek divine intervention and work towards our future, our life. It's harder, it's getting harder actually. Right? Believe that if you follow instructions like I've just shared with you, if you will remain conscious daily and begin to plan, you will survive. You will survive actually. I'm heading to Oldham. Yeah. And from Oldham I'll take another bus to Huddersfield. Then from Huddersfield I'm gonna jump into another one to Leeds. It's kind of going to Leeds through the countryside, yeah. That's what it is, really. It'll work.
The next stop is Close Street.
to the Lord in prayer. You have to pray, keep praying. That's all we have now, man. Jesus, the King of my God, Jehovah.
The next stop is Drury Lane. This is the 83 service to Oldham Knocks.
Lord, I praise your name. He is the King of my sweet love.
The next stop is Chapel Road.
Me to the Lord in prayer. What a friend we have in Jesus. He is the Lord of God.
This is the 83 service to Oldham Knocks.
To the Lord in prayer. What a friend we have in Jesus.
The next stop is
He
Harry Street.
is the Lord our God, our God. He is the only way. He will sustain and provide for me. To the Lord in prayer. What a friend we have in Jesus. He is my Lord, my God, my King.
The next stop
He
is
is
Derby
Lord,
Street.
oh God. I will praise His mighty name. Yeshua. Everything to God in prayer. What a friend we have in Him. Our
The
love.
next stop is Frederick Street.
He is the King. Oh, Lord, I pray. Friend we have in Jesus. To the Lord in prayer. Jesus, have
This
mercy.
is the 83 service to
Have mercy
Oldham
on
Knocks.
us. We need.
The next stop is Alfred Street.